Project-based learning and multimedia. What it is. A project-based learning method is a comprehensive approach to instruction. Your students participate in projects and practice an interdisciplinary array of skills from math, geography, language arts, science, fine arts, and technology. By project-based learning, we mean a teaching method in which students acquire new knowledge and skills in the course of designing, planning, and performance. Multimedia has been used in many aspects in our lives, for example, in the field of business, entertainment, and science. Multimedia comes from the word multi, which means many or more than one, and media means medium of communication. Multi also means various, and media refers to any hardware or software used for communicating. These are some examples of hardware and software that we use in communicating with others. To edit the elements, we need special editing software: the text editor, animation editor, graphic editor, audio editor, and video editor. Project-based multimedia learning is a teaching in which students acquire new knowledge and skills in the course of designing, planning, and producing multimedia products. Project-based multimedia learning does not only involve use of multimedia for learning. The students end up with a multimedia product to show what they learn. Why we use project-based multimedia learning? First, it is value added to your teaching. Second, it is a powerful motivator in the class. Third, it actively engages students in the learning task. And fourth, students are likewise engaged in the production of multimedia presentation. And most importantly, for student engagement, communication skills, student collaboration, for the 21st century life skills, and technology.
Dimension of project-based multimedia learning. Project-based multimedia learning has 7 key dimensions: core curriculum, real-world connection, extended time frame, student decision making, collaboration, assessment, and multimedia. Core curriculum. We use the term core to emphasize that project-based multimedia learning should address the basic knowledge and skills all students are expected to acquire. These projects lend themselves well to multidisciplinary or cross-curricular approach. Real-world connection. The project seeks to connect students' work in school with the wider world in which students live. The content chosen, the type of activities, and the types of products must be real life. Extended time frame. A good project is not one-shot lesson. It extends over a significant period of time. The actual length of project may vary with the age of the student and the nature of project. It is important that students are given enough time to enable them come up with a substantial product from which they can derive pride and a clear sense of accomplishment. Student decision making. In project-based multimedia learning, students have a say. Students are given considerable leeway in determining what substantive content will be included in their project as well as the process of producing them. Collaboration is working together jointly to accomplish a common intellectual purpose in a manner superior to what might have been accomplished working alone. Assessment. Students are expected to show evidence that they gained content information, became better team members, could solve problems, and could make choices. Students are also expected to assess their own media products so they can improve on them. Multimedia. As students design and research their projects, instead of gathering only written notes, they also gather and create pictures, video clips, recordings, and other media objects that will later serve as the raw material of their final product. The advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Multimedia enhances the effect of text presentation, improves the quality of presentation, and retains the attention of the audience. It can be used for educational as well as entertainment purposes. It is quick and easier to operate for instructor. Multimedia presentation can be modified very easily. Multimedia is entertaining as well as educational. Disadvantages: complex to create, time consuming, use of multimedia is expensive.